Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download FIFA 2022 and its modded version, and you have early access on this application game and enjoy it totally free. You will get unlimited money, unlimited coins and unlimited lives, and everything is in premium version. So guys, come on guys, we will go and see the tutorial to get this app on your devices. And one thing more guys, you all have to follow all the steps. Don't skip single second. If you skip, you can't get this early access on your devices, and it's only available on this tutorial. You can't be get this application from any app store. So, and one thing guys, you don't need any jailbreak rooted Android device or your PC, and it's also available for your iOS and Android devices from iOS 13 to iOS 15 latest version. So come on guys, we go to screen and watch the tutorial. To get this app, you all have to come in settings, scroll down to general, scroll down to background app refresh, and make sure turn it on by selecting Wi-Fi and wild data. After that, you all have to come back, scroll down, come back again, scroll down to battery, and turn low power mode on for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds we have to turn it off and wait for 20 seconds. Alright guys, turn it off, come back, scroll down to app store, and make sure turn on apps for 20 seconds again and wait for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds we have to turn it off. Alright guys, turn it off, come back, come to home screen, come in settings, Safari, and type appleak.co. See guys, appleak.co and search. Hey guys, you have to type FIFA. See guys, FIFA 2022 mobile hack version, and it's now start injection. Guys, you are one of them who get this early access from this injections. Actually, these injections are most important part of these premium apps. Actually, it's your premium app, and after completing this buy, you will see your app on your home screen like this, and that's it. But sometime, because of heavy trafficking on this website, you will see a survey where you have to download two apps and run each app for 30 seconds each, and that's it. After that, you just need to reboot your device, and after rebooting your device you will get your app on your home screen. But one thing guys, if you don't do this survey, you can't be able to get this app on your device, because it's most important part of these premium apps. If you find survey, you have to done survey. So okay guys, we will meet you in our next video. If you need any help, make sure hit me in comments. Okay, bye bye.